Classic VIP Gamer, and today I'll be playing some cookie build battles. And yeah, so where is it? Oh, there's the zombie. Yes, I got in time. I just need two more. Oh, I was about to say, is that really the NCDM? Nah, it doesn't look like a dude. Ah, dang you. I hate that guy. Oh, yes. Yes. I'm gonna kill. Oh, man. Oh, Lord. Let's go. Fish off here. Okay. Try not to go. Crazy old man. Oh, man. I can't believe I'm dying. Oh. You need to buy the skip. Skip. It's running to my arms. No! Oh, man. Oh, guys, I can't believe I just died. Oh, my God, yes. We have plenty players right now. Idiot. I'm an idiot. You know, guys, I'm not an idiot. It's just me. I'm crazy. Okay. Yes. Okay, so this is the new battle. Wait, what? Oh, yes, I know what to do now. Just get that. And then, like, get it onto your hands. You just go like that. Not like that to me. Dude, you're not going to do that to me. Nobody does that to me. That's what you get when you want to mess with my team. You okay? Okay, I'm the man. I'm the bitch. The man. Guys, I wonder who else is left. Oh my God. Okay. Shio, he's safe. Somebody's not here. Oh, I almost killed myself. Okay, so I can replace that, and I can replace. Oh, this can replace. Oh, come on, stop jumping on it. Oh, okay, it can replace anything. But are you okay? Okay, just cut the bottom, make sure nobody attacks. I'm gonna be the archer. Oh my God. Why is my voice it's so squeaky and like, it's like I feel sick. Okay, Team Red, you're the only one left. With whoever else is left. Gotcha. What? I shot him. But I thought he died. So he never died. Somebody else is still alive. So we have to watch out for him. Yeah, block the top up, please. Ha! His bow, his arrow never even reached me. See if we can. Ah! Okay. So what is she doing? Like, what is she doing? Oh, I have to sneeze, guys. Oh my god. It's like I have something. It's like I have allergies. Just kidding, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thanks, partner. Thanks. You've been protecting me. But you don't repay me. What the hell? Oh man. Please don't tell me she died. Please don't tell me she died. Okay, I want to know who wins. I want to know who won. I want to know who won. Is it our team? It's blue. What? I hate that guy there. Oh man. Oh, at least we're a team with him now, so I don't have to worry about him. But TBN Frags. Oh my god. I think he's a YouTuber. I remember somebody's name like that. Somebody's username, like for his YouTube name. Oh my god. What is he doing? What the hell are you doing? Ha! Your team fell down. You'll be the next one to fall down. Very soon. Dude, he is like so cool. Super cool. Yeah. Ouch. Thanks, team. Get out of here. Get out of our lives. Bring it. Cha. Hiya. Coming to save you. Behind you. Yeah. Yeah. Ow, ow. Dang you. Cha. No. Please tell me we will win. Please tell me green will win. Yeah, we won. Guys, that dude is like so cool. Wish I could be his partner. But not now. Not today. Oh my god, are you an American football player? I thought he was an American football player. Guys, if you want a 0.15.0, if you, guys, I'll just show you in a video. It will be showing you how to download 0.14.0, 0.14.2, and 0. And guys, it will be showing you how to download 0.14.0 Alpha Build 4. That's the new one. So yeah, guys, stay tuned to that. And so guys, this is my last game before I say goodbye. I hope you like this last game that I'll have to do. Okay. Guys, if you would want to see some 0.14 or 0.15 episodes, I can do that with my friends on Realms. It will be cool because they know how to play Minecraft, but they are really shy to do videos, so I'll have to do it with them. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for that. Headshot him. Headshot him. And headshot him. And headshot him. Oh, guys, I missed that last shot. Where's yellow going? Okay, yellow, marshmallow, kiss Uncle in the shadow. Oh. Ah. No, please don't say I'll die. Please don't say I'll die. Okay, if I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die with the bad guys. If I can reach them in time before I know. Sometimes I use the technique and it works. It works so. Oh, this is just a sad moment. Just kidding, guys. I hate my voice. Oh my god. So yeah, guys, if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and a comment. And please leave a like and a comment. And I'll see you guys all next time. And Wait, what was he doing to me? And what was the girl staring at? Oh yeah, guys, and please leave a like and leave it in the comments if you would like to see me playing 0.15.0 with my friends on a YouTube server. So I'll see you guys later, and yeah, guys, I'll see you guys later, and till then, goodbye.